When you're multiplying decimals, this is the only time when working with decimals where you actually don't need to line up the decimal. But what you can do to help you start is when you're setting it up, the number with more digits is going to go on top. So here this has 4 digits, this has 2 digits. It really doesn't matter which one's bigger, just which one has more digits. So this one's going to go on top. So you're going to set it up stacked. So 12.01 times 6.5. Okay, and those are both negative. And then you're just going to multiply through. 5 times 1 is 5. 0, that's 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. I'm going to cross that out so I already know that I've used it. And then you start again with the 6. First you put 0 as a placeholder, starting with the second row, and then you add another extra one every next row. Then you multiply the 6 through. 6 times 1 is 6, times 0 is 0, times 2 is 12, times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and then you're going to add your 2 rows to get your answer. That's 5, 6, 0, 8, and 7. And then in order to find out where your decimal is, if you never remember the rules, here's what you can do. You can use a whole number estimate. Here the whole number is 6. Here the whole number is 12. If you multiply those, you get 72. Well, let's see, where could I put my decimal where it would put it close to 72? If I put it here, that's 78,065. That's not close. Here, 7,806.5, 780.65, 78. That's kind of close to 72. Let me keep going. If I go this way, that's already 7.8. The closest I'm going to get to 72 is 78.065. And here's the actual rule for it. What you could do is you count how many numbers are after the decimal. So here there's 2. Here there's 1. So there's a total of 3 numbers after the decimal. So then you're going to start at the end on your answer and go backwards that many times. 1, 2, 3. Again, I got that from 1, 2, 3 and went backwards. 1, 2, 3, and I ended up with it in the same exact spot. And the last thing we need to do is take a look at our signs. If I kind of erase what I did here, I had a negative 6.5 times a negative 12.01, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So we get positive 78 and 65 thousandths.